Charlie Puth Light Switch. Now we got the acoustic version, or official technical acoustic live performance, because technically we've seen the live performance. I think it was like New Year's Eve, New Year's Day when I posted it around there, his TikTok New Year's Eve thing. So now it's officially released, and now we have, I believe, what looks like it'll be probably a little bit more of an upbeat kind of vibe. So hope you guys are enjoying the content. Reminder, I'm giving away $1,000 on my Instagram. All you have to do is follow me by March 15th, and you are in the running. Just pull out your phone and follow me on Instagram, and you are in the running to win. 10 people will win $100 up to $1,000 total if we hit 10,000 followers. Go check it out. Oh, that tone on the piano sounds phenomenal.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah.
I feel like we've all heard this song like 1,000 times already, even if we haven't, just because of TikTok. Oh, that's sus chord, man.
I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that
nice slap back up on the vocals. He has such a distinct singing style where he kind of has that like closed mouth kind of tightness, and that really fast vibrato. It's super, super, super unique.
Like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch.
Nord Stage is the most popular live piano ever.
Got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing?
I like to see that his the TikToks are kind of authentic in the sense of like you see him bopping up and down, like that's like him actually performing, like he's doing this live here, even in the chill acoustic version. This is cool.
Me guessing. When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk like that, no.
Ooh, nice walk down, matching the melody on that.
Walk like that, no. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other.
Wow, that's a great lyric.
Look back, but I go right back and
why do you always want to act like lovers, but you never want to be each other's? That is a great lyric.
all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away.
Okay, cool. This is really cool. So it looks like it's in the key of E. I don't know if my guitar is in tune right now, but he's probably playing. Yeah. Whoa. What's going on? Dead string right there, huh? Yeah, so it's in the key of E major, C sharp minor, and what we have is it looks like it's going 6, 1, 5, 4. Oh. Wow. Okay, let's start over. 1. That was 6 before. A little out of tune. That's 5. There you. So it's C sharp, C sharp minor, E, B, A. But what was cool, the reason I could tell, like, wow, that's really annoying. But he's playing like these open chords instead of just the full like bar chord like this. And you could hear like the cool picking going on. Almost sounds like it's the same chord progression to One Republic's Counting Stars. I've covered that song so many times when I used to play gigs, that's why I know. But I like this, man. And I like, if you notice, if you listen to the guitar player, he goes from really cool palm muted, like kind of like bright stuff, to more of like this cool open chord playing, which is a cool contrast in dynamics.
That I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, turn me on like a light switch.
Yeah, that's more staccato here.
Just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want
I like the people just randomly walking in the background.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do.
He's got a strong falsetto, man.
Want you, want you, want you, want
Oh, there you go. That you can see exactly. Look at his lips.
you, want you, want you, want
Very
you,
close.
want you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want. You turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to.
Ooh.
You turn me on like a light switch.
I'd be curious what would happen if he moved it down a step or two, and like so we could hear like really belt it. I would love to hear him like really belt these notes instead of singing the whole thing in like this whole falsetto kind of sound.
Body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you.
Yeah, that walk up is so good.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want to get.
Come on, his falsetto and head voice is killer. Really good, actually. There's those open chords. That's cool, man. Good stuff. That's a catchy song, man. He did a phenomenal job with promoting it too. I'm curious how many streams it has at this point. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram to win $1,000. Have a great rest of your day. God bless and peace out.